Hello, welcome back to my video. Today, my people, I'll be reacting to balloon surprise toys. Okay, it's dumb, it's stupid. I'm reacting to it. Okay, I know it sounds bad, but you know. So I haven't posted a video in ages, but I'm gonna start making more videos now. So let's start. We're gonna add first. Do I care? No, I don't. Double ad. Here we go.
Refrigerator. Yes, Papa. Do you have water? No, Papa. Traveling lights? No, Papa. Open your door. Ha, ha,
Right, let me just point out that a minute ago he drank half the litre bottle. And then Mum's in here cooking dinner. But why did they explain everything in song? Like in Johnny language, like people. It's about the game. I like how they got refrigerated. It's so creepy, guys.
refrigerator.
No.
Yes, Mommy. Do you have sauces? No, Mommy. Telling lies.
Right, I know you're saying a lie, bro.
Open your door. Ha, ha,
But she seems to like sad. It's like, oh no, my sauces.
refrigerator. Yes, Johnny. Do you have ice cream? No, Johnny. Telling lies? No, Johnny. Open your door. Ha, ha, refrigerator, yes, Chia. Do you have chocolates? No, Chia. Telling lies? No, Chia. Open your door. Ha, ha,
Guys, those chocolates weren't there last time. If you go back to when they were doing the sauces. Here we go. Ready up. No shot. Oh wait, they are there. Oh my god, this is so creepy. And it's just like, give me all your juices, boy. No, like, oh yeah, give me some chocolates. It's like, do you have chocolates? Yeah, give them to me now, boy. So give it here, boy. And what is this choreography? What's it saying? What is it saying, kids? Paint your fridge pink. And purple. Oh my god. Paint your fridge purple and pink and talk to it. No, ask it for all your new juices. Nope. Pop it. These kids deserve torture.
Balloon, balloon, Johnny gonna blow a balloon, balloon, balloon. I want a spiral-shaped balloon, 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 pink color balloon, 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 drifting through the air.
They don't float, they don't have helium.
Wow! Balloon, balloon, Chia gonna blow a balloon, balloon, balloon. I want a star-shaped balloon, 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 yellow color balloon, 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 floating in the air.
Oh, you could control Chia. How do you feel? Controlled.
Balloon, balloon, Dolly gonna blow a balloon,
I was like, Dolly, I don't know who they are anymore, guys.
I want a flower-shaped balloon, balloon.
Some get people start blowing up and they're like, oh, I want one. Let's put it here.
Wow! Balloon, fly bye-bye. Hey kids, come on, let's learn 3 magical words. Please, thank you, and sorry. When you want the spin, what will you ask? Please, please, please. Correct. Correct. Surprise! When you hurt someone, what will you say? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Correct.
No, rubbing their chest. What do you mean?
When you get something, what will you say?
Oh my god, can I stop here? And guys, it was too painful. I couldn't watch anymore. But I want to show you guys a little something that I have. You guys have this game, you probably already know what it is. If not, then I'll go get a life. PewDiePie. Hey, guess what, guys? You can friend me. Like Warrior Vlogs. Nice, no spaces. Capitals for black, capital for Warrior, capital for Vlogs. And it is awesome. I'm so addicted. I've been playing it since last night. I didn't sleep. I played and I played and I played and I played and I got nowhere, but who cares? So if we just go into it. This is me. Yay, yay, yay. Remaster. I watched a video. What about it? Build a theme park. No one likes me. Three, two, one, hit. Boom, 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 boom. What do you mean? Quit baiting me. Stop baiting me, bro. Not my bro anymore. No, go away. You're my bro. I'm never giving you a bro fist. Oh my. Damn. Okay. I have 1 IQ, guys. Like, let's go. And we can do this. What? Popped it. Didn't care. So again. Got some IQ in the bag. Some IQ in the bag. Put it on. What do you mean? Okay. You guys just friend request me up in here. This is my name. Don't sweat it. And just, you know, just go. Eagle! Smack that views. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye.